Hi guys, my name is Sadik and welcome to my channel. Guys, patriotism is something which is not only related to our emotions, which is not only related to our sentiments, but it is something which defines us. It is something which is at times integrated in us, which is inherent in us. And this is one of the main reasons why that we get at times so emotional, we get at times so attached to films that are made on patriotism. And this is one of the main reasons why that a film that has been recently released has garnered so many amazing reviews. We are talking about Sher Shah. Sher Shah stars Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani in lead roles, and it is directed by Vishnu Vardhan. So basically, Sher Shah is not only an you can say your ordinary war movie or a war biographical movie. Even though it is focused on the life of Vicky, or I should rather say Vikram Batra. So it is focused on his heroics and how he led his life. I mean, it is not only focused on the war he led, but the individual, the attitude that that guy had towards his life. So let's talk about Sher Shah. So Sher Shah, I would not only, I won't go into the spoilers, but I would just summarize what this film is about. So Sher Shah focuses on the Kargil war and the heroics of Vikram Batra in that specific Kargil war. So it is a biographical or a war biographical film which entails the story of Vikram Batra from starting to the end. But it is not, as I said, not your ordinary war biographical film. The film focuses on how Vikram Batra was focused on being a war soldier or a soldier that wants to serve his country. He was only thinking about serving his country. And this is one of the main reasons why, if you see in that film, he's wearing that soldier uniform throughout when he's in his childhood. I mean, when he goes to school, when he's going around with his friends, with his family, whenever you see him, he's just wearing that soldier uniform. I mean, soldier attire, which should rather say. So, if you see that, I mean, this reflects throughout the film, and even in those war sequences, I mean, they've been so beautifully shot. So, if you see that specific scenario, I mean, it's amazing. It's really, really remarkable. And so, rather than just focusing on the story, I would focus on the two heroes of this film. One is Siddharth Malhotra, we all know that. But apart from that, the main hero for me in this film was the director Vishnu Vardhan. I mean, this guy is, what should I say? He's just an amazing craftsman. He knows what and how to get the best of actors in associated project. So recently I watched one of his films which was called Billa. So I've not watched most of his films, but Billa was an amazing Tamil language film, and I was highly impressed. So this is one of the main reasons why I was so excited to watch Sher Shah, and Sher Shah lived up to my expectations. And for the last few years, we all know that Siddharth Malhotra was looking for a big hit, a film that can garner or, not only garner him some amazing praise or just, get him some good reviews, but establish himself as a top-notch actor. And he's proved himself in that film. So I'm really happy for him. And apart from that, Kiara Advani, as always, she has been really good. I'm not sure, and I don't know why. At times, she does get some trolls or sometimes negative reviews on social media, but as an actress, she has done really well. I mean, I last watched her in Kabir Singh, and after that, I watched her here in this film, and she's been really good. So yeah, the chemistry between two of them has been really good. And if you see throughout the film, the short sequences, the sound design, I mean, the war sequences, all top notch. So overall, if I talk about this film and whether you should watch it or not, so my recommendation would be to please watch it ASAP, because it is probably one of the finest war films ever made in India. I mean, I've seen many war films like Border, like Uri, and many other films, even The Legend of Bhagat Singh. So these films did focus on war and war biographical films, but Sher Shah is something else. I mean, it is entire beauty. I mean, some war sequences were even on par. I mean, though not on par, but they were close to coming on par with Saving Private Ryan. It's that good. So I would recommend you to please watch this film ASAP, and if possible, watch it today, because 14th August is just near. 15th August is just near. So please watch this film, and if you like my channel, so please like, share and subscribe the channel. And if there are any suggestions, so please you can provide those in the comment section. Thank you so much and bye.